Nashukuru kwa
Arikinya hari kuhukia ciiko cia ngukumio bururi-ini. Gavana wa kaunti ya Laikipia Nderitu Mũrĩithi ni anyitete mbaru ikinya ria ministry ya kigina ria guthurima mathire maria thirikari cia kaunti ire namo thutha wa wabici ya muthurimi wa mathabu ma thirikari kuithura mathire maingi matirakorwo mareirwo wega.
So we end up in very awkward circumstances.
Akiaria, Mũrĩithi ni augite kaunti-ini ya Laikipia thire wa ciringi milioni 700 nduramenyeka uria wokire kuona ona aria marakorwo magitia mbeca ciao kumana na motungata maria marauga ni maheanire matire na rithiti cia kuonania ni maheanire motungata macio.
It is no use just blaming counties. The treasury itself, in as far as it delays disbursements to counties, contributes to the piling up of pending bills. Because remember, when we go to tender, it is not necessarily that the money is sitting in the bank. It is money that is anticipated either to be collected or to be disbursed from national collection.
Ona kuria uguo neugite kaunti no nikoretwo igithurima yo nyene ikinya ria ministry ya kigina gukorwo ari gutigira ni manyitukia turia nime kaunti-ini yo.
Since I came to office that these bills have to be audited, not just by our internal auditors but by special external auditors to verify. Our internal audit, as you know, found out that nearly 700 million could not be paid out of the 1.2 billion.
Mwerekera wa minister wa kigina Henry Rotich urendekithia aria mahetwo kandarathi o yothe kuma mweri-ini wa 6 mwaka uyu gutwara mateta mao kuri kamiti ya kigina makaunti-ini niguo uma wa kandarathi icio utuithanio. Handũ-ini ha Kameme TV, Ndita Kamau wa Mwangi.